50 Road Signs Part 3. What is this road sign called? Stop sign. Can you identify this traffic sign? Yield sign. What type of road sign is this? Added left lane sign. Which road sign is this showing? Narrow bridge sign. Which road sign is displayed? One-way, left sign. Identify this route sign. Interstate route marker, 3 digits, sign. Which road sign is this? Do not enter sign. Can you name this road sign? "270-degree loop, curve sign." Which road sign is displayed? Slippery when wet sign. Identify this traffic sign. Curve, left, sign. What type of road sign is this? Single lane transition sign. Identify this route sign. National network route sign. What is this road sign? Reverse turn, left, sign. What is this road sign called? Straight through only sign. What does this road sign mean? No parking, bus stop sign. Which road sign is depicted? Interior lane shift right sign. Which traffic sign is this? Bicycle and pedestrian sign. Which road sign is this? Falling rocks sign. Which road sign is depicted? Reverse curve with crossroad, right, sign. Which road sign is this? Right turn only sign. Which traffic sign is shown? Side road at an acute angle, right, sign. What does this road sign indicate? Hazardous material route sign. Which road sign is this? No straight through sign. What type of sign is this? Park and ride sign. What is the meaning of this sign? Do not pass stop train sign. Identify this traffic sign. Snowmobile crossing sign. Which road sign is shown? Two-way traffic, 3-lane, 2 lanes opposing, sign. What type of road sign is this? Hairpin curve, right, sign. Which road sign is this? One-way, right, sign. Which route sign is this? Off-Interstate business route marker sign. Which route sign is shown? Date route marker, 2 digits, sign. Which traffic sign is shown? No U-turn or left turn sign. What is the meaning of this road sign? Traffic signal photo enforced sign. Identify this traffic sign. Weight limit sign. Which road sign is displayed? Wild horse sign. What is the name of this sign? Storage space symbol sign. Which road sign is shown? Reverse curve with side road, right, sign. What does this road sign indicate? Added right lane, entering roadway, sign. Which traffic sign is being shown? Added left lane, entering roadway, sign. Identify this traffic sign. Hazardous material prohibited sign. Identify the name of this route marker sign. Interstate route marker with state, 2 digits, sign. What type of road sign is this? Farm vehicle sign. What is this road sign warning about? Right shoulder drop off ahead sign. What does this road sign indicate? Light rail activated sign. Which road sign is shown? Pedestrians permitted sign. Which traffic sign is depicted here? Triple lane shift, right, sign. Which route sign is this? Interstate route marker, 2 digits, sign. What does this road sign indicate? Added right lane sign. Which traffic sign is shown? Identify the name of this road sign. Winding road, right, sign. Which road sign is this? Flaggers ahead sign. What is this sign used for? No hitchhiking sign. Nice work making it to the end of part 3. Deer crossing sign. Every sign you've learned gets you one step closer to passing your driving test with confidence. Hit that subscribe button and keep going. Part 4 is just around the corner.